Toyota revealed the characteristics of the new SUV Land Cruiser 300. Japanese automaker Toyota, preparing to launch a new Land Cruiser 300 SUV, has revealed some of its technical details. According to information provided by the developers of the novelty, in the basic version of the equipment, a liter unit with 450 horsepower will be installed under the hood of the SUV, paired with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system. In addition, buyers will be given a choice of its hybrid version with a liter engine and electric motor. The total power of this version will be 420 horsepower. It is worth noting that this hybrid installation is borrowed from the Lexus LS 500h. The appearance of the Land Cruiser 300 will be more sporty and aggressive. The SUV will receive increased ground clearance, a new rear bumper, upgraded head optics, etc. The car interior will be equipped with a modern multimedia system with a large digital screen, dual-zone climate control, ABS, a driver assistance function, including a collision avoidance system, rain sensor, control of invisible zones, etc. But the exact debut date and price of this new product are kept secret. It is expected that the model will enter the market in 2022.